ipodgenius1x1. This is a video to help you guys with the GPS phone crack. Mainly some issues that you may be having with GPS phone. This one kind of directs saving issues. Like if you save it, it won't work. Okay, so what you want to do first is if you have SP settings, you want to make sure your SSH is on. If you don't have SP settings, don't worry about this. Okay, so after you have SSH on, you have to go to your computer and load up SSH. I have an SSH video, which will be in the video or the video description. And I'm just going to open up SSH. Okay, so now that you're in your folder, what we want to do is we want to go and we want to click the little 3 dots, which is the back button. Then we have to find mobile, media, and the ROMs folder. So what you have to do with the ROMs folder is right click it, go to properties, and set the properties on this to 777. It'll pop up at 0777, 037, and that's okay. So once you do that, hit OK, and let it do that. Now you want to go into ROMs, and do the same thing we just did to the ROM folder, hit the GBA one. After you have it at 777, click OK. Now that we're here, we have to change all of your Game Boy files. But we can do this all at once. So we're going to go to Mark, select files, and hit OK. Now that all your files are selected, simply right click, properties, and set to 777. And hit OK. Now this one's going to take longer than the other ones. Not too long, but longer than the others. I'm going to come back to you when this is done. Oh, never mind. Okay, so we want to close SSH, and then go to our iPhones, turn off SSH if you have SP settings, and you can either respring an SP setting, or if you have something like this called G-Power, apply to respring. I'm going to come back to you when this finishes. Okay. Oh, hold on. Okay, so now that I resprung, I'm just going to show you guys how to work. This is my newest GPS phone. In the video where I did the crack, there's actually a link to the latest .deb file of the GPS phone, so you can check that out. Hold on, okay. So this one I'm playing right now, this game is called Pokemon Light Platinum. Now it's a hacker Ruby. And I'm just showing you guys how this works. Okay, see where I am? Move forward. I'm going to save. Okay, and I'll show you guys how it works. Let me just load it up. See? It works just fine. And that should be it. You should be able to save now with your GPS phone app. ipodgenius1x1 out.